Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back today. This is an okra stew with fresh tomatoes. Oh my God, this soup looks so delicious. Welcome back. Let's make the soup. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to today's video. So today's video is all about making our okra soup. You can see my pot is already out for this soup. Alright, so my previous videos I made okra soup. This one is different because this is my first time of making this type of okra soup here. So for us to make this okra soup, these are the basic things that are needed. My cow leg here. This is a cow leg, is a bony meat with tendon and skin. Alright, so we can find cow leg everywhere. I have my fresh tomatoes here, and I have my okra. This is my okra. I've already prepped this okra, and I have my fresh pepper and celery. So I will use it to steam the meat. These are the herbs I use. The celery and the ginger is what I am going to use for this soup. So ogbono here. Ogbono is a drying thickener. You can see that in my previous videos I made ogbono soup. It's very delicious. And here I have my palm oil. You can get palm oil from African store or you can get it from Amazon. My non-seasoning cube, you can get it from Amazon too if you want this seasoning. So I'll be using one to steam my fish and my goat meat. This is my fish and my goat meat. The lemon I'm going to use to wash them, to sterilize them. So after washing, I will steam them and then put them in the oven to dry. My shrimp, I have my crayfish. This crayfish is good when you're cooking stew. You can get it from Amazon, you can get it from African store. So these are the basic things we need. And this is my mortar and my spoon. I've already cut my onion. Let's start cooking. So first of all, I'm going to wash the meat and cook it. Alright? So that is the first thing you have to do. So I'm just showing you the meat and the tomato, everything I'm going to use, in a close video. Alright, first thing first, start washing your meat. I started by washing with warm water and rinsing with my lemon, and everything is neat as I want it. So add pepper, add ginger, and then add your onion, add salt. I have 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 knorr cube, that is the chicken cube none. So if you have it, is good. And I'm going ahead now to mortar to pound my crayfish. So I just added half of the crayfish in the meat, so I'll be using half. Cover them to boil. This is it. And I've just washed my stockfish and my shrimp. I'm adding the stockfish so they will get soft. Alright, cover them to boil. This will boil for 30 minutes. And it is time to dry this fish, because if I put it in that soup this way, they will all it will get scattered, that I will not enjoy it again. So I prefer washing, drying even the meat, so I will still have the crunchiness when I'm eating. So I want to just steam my shrimp for 2 minutes. That is what I did. So this is my tomatoes. I want to just cut your tomatoes the size you want. Of course, you will not see them in the soup again. Alright, so what I did now is to slice my tomatoes. So, and to remove this shrimp from the pot. Everything is ready. It is time to cook the soup. Add your fresh sliced tomato and the celery and pepper, onion, and the remaining crayfish and the ogbono. So you add 1 cube, that is half cube of the non-maggi, palm oil, and the remaining salt. So stir them together, like mix everything together. Cover them to boil. As you can see, they've been boiling and it's already getting dried. This is time. I am adding fresh ginger again because I love ginger, especially now that I am trying my best to be healthy. So add the stock, the meat, everything together. Our soup is almost getting ready, but it's looking very nice already. All right, so it's this drawing that I needed, this drawing with the ogbono. So you are covering to boil again for 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, stir them up and see whether you need to add anything. This is our meat and our fish is dried already. So if the soup is ready, you just add your okra. Okra is the last thing you add so you don't overboil the okra. So my okra will only boil for 3 minutes. I don't boil my okra more than 3 minutes so it will be fresh. So I'm adding the dry meat and the fish now. And the shrimp, add them now because the soup is ready, almost ready. So the last thing we are going to add is the spinach. Spinach is very soft. So immediately this soup boiled for 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. I just want to add my spinach because the soup is ready. Right? So when you add your spinach, turn them together. The time you're using in turning your spinach maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. Your spinach is ready. Just turn off the heat so you don't overcook your veggies. You want them to remain fresh. You want them to remain healthy. You want to eat something that will be beneficial to you. Right? So this is it. Our soup is ready. So I want to thank you for coming today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Chiekehtv is here to stay and your support is what will make me stay. Enjoy this soup with any swallow you want or you can lick it. So for me, I am going to swallow today. I am swallowing my eggplant fufu. Alright? So if you want, swallow with unripe plantain. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.